Pep Guardiola is your LMA Manager of the Year. The vote was confirmed today. Of course, Manchester City looking for the treble. They've got one part of it at the moment. The second part could be fulfilled this weekend in the FA Cup final. Stewart Robson, Pep Guardiola, Manager of the Year for you?
Absolutely. I mean, he's shown once again, they didn't have a great start, but he's shown once again he's got the right tactics. He's changed the system. He's innovative. We see different things coming from him. He gets the best out of players most of the time. He has little spells where he drops people. They come back and they seem to have improved when they come back into the side. He's done most things right. And I think he will probably win the treble. And why wouldn't he be a Manager of the Year? He's a magnificent manager. It seems to be a good a leader of the players, but also a great tactician. And he's somebody that innovates.
If Don was here, he would shout at you, Robbo, and say Eddie Howe.
Yeah, he could shout as much as he likes, but then I don't take much notice of Don. Eddie Howe's done a good job. Of course Eddie Howe's done a good job, but it's not as good as Pep Guardiola.
James?
Yeah, we did our sort of end of season awards at ESPN, and I did struggle with this one a little bit. Eddie Howe, I think, has done a fantastic job. Arteta did a great job for most of the season. Then obviously they fell away at the end. I think Roberto De Zerbi, the job he's done at Brighton is incredible, getting them into Europe. But I just think if Guardiola does the treble, you know, the second English club ever to do it, juggling what they've done, integrating Haaland, everything that Robbo said, no need to repeat it really, we all know how good he is. I think if they win the treble, it's hands down Guardiola. I think if he just, quote unquote, just wins the league, then I think you could argue Eddie Howe quite strongly, and as I say, maybe De Zerbi as well. But yeah, they look like they're going to win the treble, so I think it has to be Guardiola.
Mr. Marcotti.
Yeah, I mean, what he says, if everybody assumes you win the treble, you do it in this way. But, you know, the reality is these managers are playing different sports. I want to give a shout out to Gary O'Neill, for example, for keeping Bournemouth up. That is a huge, huge feat, the same way Eddie Howe getting Newcastle into third, and Pep on his way to winning the treble. These managers, they're not, we can call them all managers, but they're all doing different jobs with different resources. So I have no issue with Guardiola winning it.
All juggling different balls, Ali.
Oh, there's a lot of that going on in my house.
Yeah.
Look, I mean, at the beginning of the season, Manchester City was our pick to win the league, and they've gone on to win the league. The fact that potentially they're going to win FA Cup and potentially they're going to win Champions League, are we surprised about this? Not really. I think we've come to expect that Guardiola teams are going to be in this conversation, and so I think what Eddie Howe did with Newcastle is something.
Take that, Robbo.
Something kind of special.
Shout at Robbo. Shout at Robbo.
No, I'm not going to shout.
I'll take it off Ali. I just don't take
Robbo gets excited and he's going to shout at me. He gets really mean. I don't want that in my life. I don't need that in my life. All I'm saying is that it's difficult to look past Eddie Howe in terms of what Newcastle has become. And where they were and where they are is, I think it's a significant jump. And Eddie Howe's in the middle of all of that.
Listen, I think right now, Pep Guardiola, it's beyond debate. Give him.
What about Eddie Howe?
Hold on, I'll get to that. Give him where City, give him City winning the league and that they're in 2 cup finals and they're favourites to do that. But to Ali's point, I think before the season started, you would have had City as favourite in all 3 of those competitions. Maybe not all together. If we have this conversation in 2 weeks' time and City don't add to their silverware, and all of a sudden we're talking about City winning 1 trophy, United winning 2, and Eddie Howe then gets dragged back into this conversation, given everything that he's done, then I think we have a genuine debate. But as of right now,
this is just Premier League,
As of right now, I don't think you look further than Pep Guardiola at all.
Well, thank you very much for watching ESPN on YouTube. For more sports highlights and analysis, be sure to download the ESPN app. And for live streaming, premium content, and let's not forget as well, ESPN FC 7 days a week. Subscribe to ESPN Plus.